Hi, this is the demo for Localize. Let's get started. Here we have been given three options: self-service, need for volunteers, and be a volunteer. Let's first go for self-service. After entering the address, the shops which are present nearby that address would be shown. You can browse through the shops which are present and also book a time slot. Here the time slots are divided into 15-minute time gaps. After selecting a time slot, you would be given a QR code along with a token. The QR code will be used at the shops to gain entry. If suppose the QR code doesn't work, then you can also gain entry using the token. Now let's move on to need a volunteer. Here first, we have to self-certify. As you can see, the instructions are pretty straightforward. After entering the address, you need to enter the items which you need. After entering the items which you need, you have to select a time slot. The time slots here are 1 hour apart. This is done to reduce the pressure on the volunteers. After selecting a time slot, you would be given an option to notify. When you click on Notify Me, you would be notified when a volunteer accepts your order. Now let's move on to Be a Volunteer. After entering your address, you would be shown the list of pending deliveries. You can see the pending deliveries here. In a delivery, you would be shown the name, the address, the items which the person needs, and the time along with the distance. Let's accept delivery 1. After accepting delivery 1, the person who needed the volunteer and placed a order would get a notification along with the phone number. The person who needs a volunteer and the themselves can contact using the phone number and discuss further. This helps to bring order in the time of chaos. That's the demo for localized. Thank you.